Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do, staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday a
That's the feeling.
certain
Ngayon lang siya
what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what will happen.
Good morning everyone! Ayan, andito tayo ngayon sa my condo kasi dumating ang ating ate and binisita namin siya. So, kain muna tayo guys kasi may in-order si ate na pagkain. What will you say ngay?
Tata or Tito?
Who's tata?
Tata's name?
Tata. Charlene.
Charlene. Ay, nag-clear pati pa ng iba. Ganun tata.
I thought you're hiding. May siya doctor ka na.
No more doctor.
Went already there. It's a baby.
Yeah, isbud. Kita rin yung isbud. Tapos ang katay niya.
Another day with this baby girl. So, magluluto daw tayo ng kanyang pancake. Gamitin natin yung air fryer. Lagi-lagi yung nagpapaluto ang ating baby girl ng pancake. Pero wala tayong saging. So, next time na lang nating haluhan ng saging. Talagang malaki na nga ang ating baby girl kasi gusto niyang sumasama sa akin kapag nagluluto. So, ayan. Luto na siya. Niluto lang natin sa air fryer ng mga 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So, ayun. Perfect. Wow, this is Dana's cake. Wishing happy birthday to Dana.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Tut, tut, tut. Happy birthday, Dana. Happy birthday, Dana. Birthday, happy birthday. You're excited to eat? Happy birthday.
Pancake.
Sobrang bilis ng mga araw. So, bukas, uuwi na si ate sa Australia. So, nag-SM muna kami and then, buti na lang kasama namin yung isa naming kapatid kasi may magdadala sa Playard sa ating baby girl habang mag-iikot tayo. May bibilhin lang kasi sana sina ate. So, sasamahan ko sila at isasama ko din kayo guys. So, tara! Lang. Sping. Manan taga-adjust. You enjoy, okay? Andito na nga tayo sa Playard and mag-fill up lang tayo ng form and then iiwan na namin yung kapatid ko at si baby girl. And ayan, silipin nga muna natin sila saglit kasi sabi ni baby girl gusto daw niya maiwan din ako. Pero dyan ka muna, baby girl. Minsan talaga kailangan din nating lumabas na tayo lang for our mental health. So, for an hour, iniwan muna namin siya sa aking kapatid. And, bili muna tayo ng drinks para habang naglalakad, hindi tayo mauhaw. Third wheel nga muna tayo dito sa labas. Inaantay ko sina ate kasi bawal yung drinks sa loob. And, naamoy nga namin ito, sobrang bango. And my favorite dito sa waffles na to is banana with chocolate or caramel. So, ayan. Perfect kapag maulan. Lalo na kapag nandito kayo sa SM. Natapos na ngayong time ng ating baby girl. So, binalikan namin at masaya pa naman siya. Umiiyak na nga siya dahil gusto niyang dumede pero bawal na kasi wini-win nga namin siya. So, ayan, nagtatantrums na ang bata. And so far, tumigil siya kasi pinanood namin Guilty Mom. Lagi talagang maulan ang July na month. Ganun pa man, hindi tayo matitigilan na pumunta sa church. So, napaaga nga kami Dahil maaga tayo, may kape dito. So, si Habs nag-e-enjoy din sa kanyang kape. And perfect time, pumasok na kami. Kasi magsisimula na yung service in a bit. Good morning guys, we're back. Actually, ang daming ganap ngayong July. So, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. But, today, surprise natin si Baby Girl kasi actually, tapos na yung birthday niya, pero hindi talaga kami nag-celebrate. Kasi, ang daming ang ganap. So, lately, sinasabi niya, bili kami ng balloon, ganyan. Bili kami ng cake daw niya. So, ayun yung gagawin natin. Bibili tayo ng balloon and maliit lang na cake para i-celebrate. And then, siguro for photo shoot din. Kasi wala siyang picture or mga, this second na birthday niya. O, diba? Wala tayong ayos, walang ligo. Anyway, maligo ako and then we'll be back. By the way, dito na kami dry ng mga damit kasi maulan nga ngayon. And sobrang effective niyang dehumidifier. Maliit siya pero okay naman, it serves the purpose. Na naman niya yung buong kusina. So, if you're looking for a dehumidifier na makakatulong sa inyo kapag there's a porcupine! Oh, there's a porcupine, this one. Okay. I'll just digos, okay? So, kapag naghahanap kayo ng something na makakatulong kapag sobrang humid dun sa bahay nyo, maganda itong dehumidifier na to. Meron ding mas mahal. And mas effective din, syempre. Pero okay na to sa akin. Let me show you. Dito ng hangin na mainit. Yan, binili na natin itong raincoat for Habs kasi nagmamotor siya. And then, ito yung akin. Ano pala siya? Anong tawag niya? Yellow green yung highlighter niya. And then, we got umbrella for baby girl. Pangarap niya yan. Let's open. Ayan, balloon. Binilhan ko din siya ng ganito. Ano to? Ayan, ganyan na siya. Ang ganda. That's your water bottle. Are you happy? For Hubs. Meron siyang ganito pero sabi niya masakit. So, ito na lang. Kinuha na natin siya ng ganyan. And we will blow balloon. Ito is your candle niya for the cake. Yung cake nasa fridge na kasi gusto na niyang buksan pero inaantay ko si Hubs para sabay kami. And then magsiset up din sana kami na surprise pero anyway, hindi na surprise. Let's open and blow the balloons. Okay? So, ayan. Dito tayo magsiset up dyan sa area na yan. O, diba? Ito yung kitchen niya. And nagamit na niya agad-agad. Parang nakakaano kasi siya, nakaka-encourage na uminom ganyan. Yung lid niya. Oh, drink. Oh, 'di ba? Kapag problema niyo yung toddler na uminom, maganda 'yan. Show it to them. Ito yung pinakamalaking number na nakita ko. Gusto ko sanang golden pero wala. So, ito na lang. Anyway, kwentuhan tayo habang inaantay natin yung surprise. Ang laki pala niya. Ang laki. Look at that. Oh, diba? Let's try to blow this. Number 2. By the way, it's been 4 days na wini-win namin si baby girl kasi 2 years old na siya. So, we stopped yung breastfeeding. Balik alindog na tayo. Medyo malaki-laki pa tayo ngayon. Pero anyway, this is so big. It's bigger than you. Getting bigger. Oh no! Ganito siya kalaki. You say hi. I'm 2. Turn 2. Okay. Ayan, natutuwa siya sa number 2. Are you happy with that balloon? Happy na? Hold on. Let me blow it first. There you go. Dana's dream. Ito yung pangarap ni Dana. Simple lang naman. Magkaroon siya ng balloon on her birthday. Kaya natatawa ako dun sa tito ko. Nagbigay siya ng pang-balloon ni Dana. Na ano siya kasi. Ito yung lagi niyang minimension nung andun kami sa Ifugao. So, pinambigyan. Very nice. I'll tie it first, okay? Hold on. Hindi ko alam kung anong i-design natin dito. Pero anyway, basta mag-blow na lang ako ng balloon. Poop! Catch, Dana! Poop! Yan pa lang yung nabublow natin. Konti pa lang. Poop! Thank you! You enjoy your things. Sa amin dati, hindi talaga kami nagsi-celebrate ng birthday. Lalo na at madami kami. So, parang ngayon, I'm making sure na kahit simple lang ng celebration on every birthday ng ating baby girl is magagawa natin. You want it? It's so small. Let me blow it for a little bit and then I'll give it to you, okay? Let me fold it. Tie it first. Tie.
I want little.
Yes, this is a little already. Here. Oh no. It's there. Ngayon na meron akong anak, I make sure to celebrate it yearly. Siyempre, iba pa din kasi yung effect nandun sa bata. Ayun, yun lang. Simple celebration. It doesn't have to be luxurious kapag wala talaga. Pero at least lang we remember that that's the birthday of our kid. So, yun lang. I make it big. Anyway, lately din, medyo puyat kami. Kasi, wini-win nga namin spray namin kasi namin sa kanya. 1 month ago, inorient na namin siya na when she turns 2, hindi na siya makakapag-breastfeed. So, ngayon, ito na yung catch. Thank you, Dana. So, ngayon, ito yung effect. Lagi tayong puyat. So, hopefully, as the weeks go by, mas maka-recover siya and mas matanggap niya ang kabagayan.
My kid, little man.
Twist, twist, twist. Oh, you want little balloons? Not big, just little.
I share this one.
Oh, this one. You share this one. Share daw niya to.
I share this one.
Oh, this one also. You want that little balloon? You like it better? So, ayun yung pinagagawa natin lately. Bakit itong color? Parang mas nakaka-brighten ng mood yung color na to. And then, knowing na beige itong mga cortina natin, dito tayo magde-decorate. So, ayun.
This one. Cashew.
Thank you, Dana. You catch me pala.
Oh.
Oh! Thank you, Dana. Again.
For me.
For you. Ooh. Another drink? Why?
Not yummy.
How do you mean it's not yummy?
It's not yummy, dapat.
The balloon. Not yummy. This is not a food. Happy birthday, Dana! Happy? That is your cake? Okay, thank you for sharing your cake. Oh, thank you! You're taking a picture of me? Wow! Thank you, Maren! Nagsa-selfie na siya. Very nice. Happy birthday to me.
Mommy,
Thank you, Dana.
can I
Of course, you can drink.
Mommy, open, mommy.
You press this on. Press this. Oop. So easy. So, ayan, dyan tayo magsa-set up. Andun yung table. Perfect. Para sa cake, ganyan and all. Gagamitin natin yung stand na yan. Kung saan ididikit yung mga balloon. Sana mag-work. Good luck to us. Try natin yung setup dyan.
Mommy, open. Open, mommy.
O, di ba? May nawawalang pink na payong. Poo! Nakakapagod pala kahit ano lang. Ganito ka simple. Hopefully, mag-work. Come, let's go see. Maybe this is Dada. Someone is here. Oh, no!
Did you buy that one?
Dito ka natin present ni Dana.
Ah,
Go
yeah.
inside.
Go inside.
We can go. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Show Dada your bottle. Kinumay na. Nakaka-encourage pala.
Ah, very nice. So, did you put that? With mommy? Where did you put that one?
It's pink.
Oh, yes.
That's pink.
Where did you put it? Dada is asking it. Put it
My
at...
table.
Oh, it's full of... Where's the number 2?
I get the number 2. Wait.
G the G.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Dada. Happy birthday, Dana. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Oh, wow! Happy birthday to everybody! Wow, Dana's birthday is full of balloon again.
Happy birthday, Dana.
So, ganyan lang kasimple. Tuwang-tuwa na siya. Ayan, so, blow na tayo. Lagyan na natin ng ganito. Ang ating cake. Sobrang puno ang ating ref. Yan. Ito siya. Very simple lang. But anyway, perfect pala siya doon. Natanggal. Tingnan nyo naman guys, natanggal yung day. Lagyan na lang natin dyan. Ayan, naputol to. So, maglagay tayo ng isang candle there. Pankan nga na. Happy birthday, Dana! Happy birthday, Dana! Yes, we're gonna put it at your table. Oh, there!
No?
Okay, 1, 2, 1! She blew so fast. Okay, let's take a picture first. Family! Yes, just see, okay? Wow! Let's take a picture first. Oh, you sing happy birthday. Yay! Are you happy with your pudding? Hey! You, somebody eat the chocolate. With feelings. Ngayon lang siya makakapag-cake, pero tinanggal namin yung mga icing and all. Parang yung bread lang. And so far, okay naman yung bread, hindi matamis. So, ayan, sinamahan lang namin siya na kumain ng kanyang cake. Pero kakain pa tayo ng dinner. It's so yummy. First time kasi niya kumain. Okay. Thank you. Is this mine? Okay. Wow. Hi. Whoa, so high. Oh, you catch it with mama. Wow. Oh, is this my cake? Thank you, Dana. So, anyway, that's for today. Ayun, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Can you do it? More. Wow.